Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So the OnePlus Nord has a big problem. Well, to be clear, it's not a problem, but it's a very huge missing feature by OnePlus and something which we haven't seen from OnePlus yet. And this is the thing which OnePlus fans praise the most, and it is lacking in the new Nord smartphones. So these are some words Android Central had to say about this decision from OnePlus. This shows OnePlus doesn't care about its user base anymore. They effectively killed the Nord even before it ever went on sale. There is no reason to pick up the Nord over the likes of Samsung or Nokia. So these are some very hard words to hear for a OnePlus fan, including myself. And the article was talking about the OnePlus Oxygen OS, which is very beloved by OnePlus fans, and also the quick Android updates which OnePlus provides earlier than others like the Samsungs and whatnots. And this is one thing OnePlus fanboys always throw at Samsung fans when the argument heats up. So keeping in mind that quick updates are OnePlus's specialty, this hurts even more. The OnePlus Nord phones will only be getting one Android update. That's it. So right now they are on Android 10. They will be updated to Android 11 sometime early next year. After that, they are done. Disowned by OnePlus in a way they have never done before. And guys, this is not a leak, not a rumor. OnePlus themselves has confirmed that the Nord N10 5G and the N100 will not provide any more than one Android update. And the worst part is that these new OnePlus Nord phones did not launch with Android 11 like the 8T. So they launched with Android 10, and Android 11 is right around the corner, and they will be updated to Android 11 in 2, 3, maybe 4 months. So that is all you get for Android updates, which sucks. We are getting 3 years in other phones, and here we are getting 3 months. They will provide 2 years of security updates, and these reports does prove me wrong. Yesterday I said OnePlus is serious about their mid-range phones. Now I'm having to think that twice. Is OnePlus serious about their mid-range phones, or they are just pretending to be serious? As for the Indian version of the OnePlus Nord, they have not said anything official about Android updates. We might get 2 years if we are lucky, but it can also end up being 1 year update cycle, as the Indian Nord and the American Nord N10 5G pretty much identical in specs and pricing. So I would not be surprised if all the OnePlus Nord phones get 1 year of Android update, 2 year of security updates. And the possible reason behind this is that OnePlus just doesn't have the framework to support 6-7 phones per year. This year alone they have announced 6 smartphones, including 3 of the Nord phones in the last 2 months. So they are running out of infrastructure to provide updates to so many smartphones. That does make you appreciate Samsung, doesn't it? They might be a month or 2 late to the updates, but they can somehow manage to provide 3 or 2 years of updates to like 50 different phones which they make every year. Let me know guys your thoughts about OnePlus only providing 1 year of Android update on the Nord phones. I am so much disappointed by this decision. After this, I wouldn't suggest anyone to buy these phones. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you found this useful. You can say hi to me on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.